Lithonia Lighting wall pack. I picked up these fixtures several months ago. I bought 3 of them with the intention of installing in and around the stairwell. I was going to put one at the top of the stairwell, one at the bottom, and then one on the wall. But I've kind of changed my plans for the stairwell lighting, so I don't think that we're going to do that anymore. So now I have a new idea for these lights, and if I like them, I think I'm going to buy several more and improve the lighting fix up downstairs here. So let's open these up and take a look and make sure that I like them first. And I don't have, oh, here we go. And there's probably not much not to like about these. These are very simple fixtures, but who knows, there could be something flaky. Fully gasketed to seal against moisture and other contaminants. Die-cast aluminium construction. Takes regular A19 bulbs. Can be used in a wet location. Well, sometimes this is a wet location if it rains a lot. So these are surface mount, so there's a hole in the back of the, because you move that around. So we don't need to buy electrical boxes, which is a huge plus because that's an additional expense. So this goes onto the wall, wiring goes in there, and then here's the fixture itself. It's a very basic fixture. Looks like it screws on. Well, I certainly don't like the way that goes. These are like set screws, I guess. Which is okay, it just seems kind of chintzy. And then it's a nice thick housing. This like, it's got like a slime all over it. There's a haze on the inside. Takes up to 150 watts. I mean, realistically, I don't see why you couldn't put a 200, 300 watt bulb in here. Just a nice ceramic. It's a ceramic socket. It's all metal. It's got the seals there to keep the vapors out. That feels like it's meat and rubber. Is that? Yeah, the top of there is rubber. And this is okay with the screws, but that's kind of cheesy. Sure seems like there could have been a better way to do it than that. So that's what the fixture look like. And what I like about these, especially for downstairs here, is that the bulb is protected. So if you whack it carrying something in, or actually that's why both of those lights in the other room there are broken, because I've hit them with stuff moving things around and whatnot, and this would alleviate that problem. So I could potentially put these all over the place, but the question is, will they work good for over here? I'm thinking that perhaps maybe I'll stick one like right here, and then maybe another one like right here perhaps. And I think, oh, you didn't even see that, did you? Maybe right here where the weather station is. A little bit over more. And that, I think, will give me some good lighting. I gotta go to sleep. It'll give me some good lighting for the ceiling fan videos, and it'll give me decent lighting for when I come down here before I turn the studio lights on, because well, this is part of a bigger project, but the lighting down here is very poor, very poorly designed. There's no lights in the stairwell. There's no switched lights by the door to go outside, and there's no switched lights over here. So when I come down the stairs, I have to walk in the dark over to here to turn these lights on. So if I had those two lights over there on a switch by the stairwell, that would alleviate that walking around in the dark problem. So let me grab an extension here. I want to test this out, see what it looks like. I mean, it's just a basic light bulb, but you never know. We'll just stick the wires in here like this. And then we'll safely plug it in. I'm not going to get the kilowatt meter out because there's really nothing to show. It's just a basic light bulb. We know what it takes. Huh. It doesn't work. Okay then. Did I not screw the bulb in properly? It did seem like it was threading kind of tight. Well, I think it's in all the way. Well, let me go get a plug in there because it's stranded wire, it's not making a good connection. Really. That is ridiculous. This plug-in is messed up. Oh jeez, I forgot to put that thing on there. Okay, now it does not have any excuse to not work. Why this is so tight? seemed like there was a delay there. I wonder if the bulb is spoiled or something. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Very weird. Now it is not working again. I can only imagine that's got to be some kind of an issue with the bulb. That's weird. Yeah, it's a perfectly good light fixture, just a basic light. I like it enough. Has a nice commercial appearance to it. It'll look good with BX cable. Well, I'm not sure how I'm going to get the power to this, so I'm going to have to set up something temporarily, but I'm going to try to put these up over by the ceiling fan testing area and see what kind of results we get. I just hung it up here on the wall real quick just for a test, and I like it. It looks really cool. And I'm definitely going to put one there, and I'm definitely going to put one over here. But the problem is, it's not anywhere near bright enough to do a video. So I think what I'm going to have to end up doing for the video situation is mount a fluorescent light on the beam here. I had this one kicking around under the bench. So this is a Cooper Lighting Solutions. I don't know what the model number is or anything. It's a 4-foot. And I think I'm going to have to mount that up there for the video.